I'm new to AWS VPCs and I'm not sure where to start. Can you help me understand what they are?
Sure. A VPC is a secure private cloud hosted remotely by a public cloud provider like Amazon Web Services. It allows you to execute programs, create websites, and perform other activities like you would in a home-based private cloud.
That sounds interesting. How does an AWS VPC work?
An Amazon VPC is a virtual network exclusively dedicated to your AWS account. It's separated from other virtual networks in the AWS cloud, and you can launch AWS resources, such as EC2 instances, in your virtual private cloud.
What is VPC peering?
VPC peering is a connection between two VPCs that allows you to send traffic between them using privately owned IP addresses. You can set up a VPC that peers with your VPCs or use a VPC within another AWS account.
What is a VPC subnet?
The subnetwork of a VPC is the range of IP addresses that are part of it. AWS resources can be assigned to a particular subnetwork, and you can use a variety of security measures to protect them.
What are the benefits of using an AWS VPC?
Adopting a VPC in AWS has many benefits, including reduced downtime and inconvenience, almost 100% uptime standards, and increased trust from your clients' customers.
That's great to know. How do I create an AWS VPC?
To create an AWS VPC, you can use the AWS Management Console, the AWS Command Line Interface, or the AWS SDKs. You'll need to select your IP address range, create subnets, configure route tables, and configure security groups and network access control lists.
Thanks for the advice. How can I learn more about cloud computing with AWS?
There are many resources available, including AWS documentation, online courses, and AWS certifications. It's important to keep learning and stay up to date with the latest developments in cloud computing.
Thanks for all your help.
You're welcome. Remember, AWS VPCs can be complex, but with the right guidance and best practices, you can successfully integrate on-premises resources with cloud resources.